Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to this channel and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Just another quick fix video here to help you with your wireless earphones keeps blinking red and blue. So let's get started. I've just got a truly wireless earphones and it turns out to have this blinking red and blue signal. So here is what I've found out. Firstly, the charging LED under the case blinks that show your wireless earbuds is fully charged by two left and right side green lightings. Most of the times, the charging case will show green unless your charging case has no battery left and the earbuds are not fully charged while it is in the case. So, if you don't see the green lighting here, you might consider to full charge your case and earbuds. Next, just in a few seconds after the case opening, both of the earbuds will blink in blue from small lights on top of them. And well, this blue signal often indicates that your earbuds is up and ready to pair. Then, from 2 to 5 seconds, it starts blinking in red and blue. Don't worry, this basically means that it didn't get connected to any devices yet. And here are a few ways to deal with it. Way number 1. You can choose to close the charging case lid and it will be off, and it just basically means you don't want your earbuds to be connected to any devices right now. Way number 2. You can open up your Bluetooth devices, for example phone, and start the pairing process. Once it's got paired up, the light will stop blinking. Way number 3. If you wait 2 to 5 minutes without pairing, the blinking light will be automatically off. Notice that this blinking red and blue can also happen when your devices have a previously paired with your earbuds. You can see this happens when you turn off Bluetooth suddenly in the mid of pairing. Right away, the earbuds will blink red and blue until you turn your Bluetooth up again. And again, remember this waiting time is around 2 to 5 minutes as above mentioned, or the earbuds will be off blinking lights itself. And I hope this video helps clarifying with why your wireless earphones or earbuds blink red and blue. Anyway, this is so far the most common reason for blinking red and blue. Please let us know if this video works out for you or if you have any other solution or discussion on it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and bye for now.